Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Printify for custom product branding, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Printify for custom product branding, start by visiting the Printify website. Look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will have the option to sign up using your email address or through existing accounts like Google or Facebook. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from Printify. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the Printify website. Log in using the email and password you registered with. After logging in, you will be guided through the initial setup of your account. Fill in any required information, such as your business name and address. This information will be used for your custom branding and order processing. Next, navigate to the Manage My Store section. Here, you can start adding products to your store. Explore the library of available products to find items you want to customize. Select a product to view its details and customization options. Use the design tools to add your branding, such as logos and text. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Add to Store button. Repeat this process for any additional products you want to add. After adding products, go to the Settings section of your account. Configure your payment and shipping settings to streamline order fulfillment. Consider setting up integrations with platforms like Shopify or Etsy for a seamless experience. Once everything is set up, review your store and product listings to ensure accuracy. Finally, start promoting your store and custom branded products to attract customers. You are now ready to begin your journey with Printify for custom product branding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.